Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2005 Mercedes E350 maintenance light reset. Now we are going to use these buttons over here, the up and down on the left side, and the enter menu is also act as an enter. And we also going to use this up and down over here on the right side, and also this button right here. And we're going to be looking at that screen right there. Go ahead and turn on your car to the first position. Okay, now when you get here, go ahead and use the menu button and go find temperature, which is we already here. But if you're not, go ahead and use the menu and go find temperature, this menu button right here. Okay, now when you get to the temperature, go ahead and use this button right here and press it 3 times and hold it on the 3rd time. 1, 2, 3. And when you see the UB, go ahead and use the up and right on the left side. Go ahead and use down and click once and you get here. And once you get here, use the up and down on the right side. Okay, use the down and go all the way to confirm and enter with the menu button. Okay, now when you are here, go ahead and enter on the full service with the menu button, and there it is, guys. Make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.